C. Reading comprehension. 2. Read the following passage, then answer the questions. Nada had worked in nursing for many years. She was in charge of 4 other nurses, and she was respected by each member of staff at the hospital. It was difficult and sometimes very stressful work. She was responsible for the health of a lot of people. However, she always felt happy when people recovered and finally went home again. She always found this very rewarding. She worked such long hours that it was sometimes difficult to be sociable after work. She usually went home and watched a film on television with her family. She found this a good way to unwind. It was a Tuesday morning. Nada had started work very early that day, and she was doing her regular check of patients. She gave them their medicine and made sure that they were comfortable. Then she went to check a new patient. He was in a private room, separate from the other patients. He was a man who had been sent to hospital the night before after a bad traffic accident. Nada looked at the man, who was unconscious when he first arrived. Nada had seen him before. He was a famous actor who everybody in her family knew and liked. The doctor said that he had suffered a bad head injury from the crash. He was so ill that he would have to stay in the hospital for many weeks. But something was very strange. Nada had seen him in a film the week before. In the film, he had to go to hospital after an accident, and he had later died. Nada didn't want that to happen in her hospital. Choose the correct answer. 8. 1M each. 1. Why was the man who came to hospital unconscious? A. He had fallen asleep. B. He was not alive. C. He'd had a bad accident. D. The nurse did not know. 2. Why do you think that he was in a private room? A. He was very poor. B. He had a dangerous disease. C. He didn't like other people. D. He was famous. 3. What was unusual about the actor coming to hospital? A. The same thing had happened to him in a film. B. Had never been there before. C. He was never ill. D. Usually had private doctors. 4. Those working in the medical profession toil to help patients. A. Analyze. B. Recover. C. Declines. D. Treat. 5. What does the underlined word that refer to? A. The actor dying. B. What the doctor told her. C. Not his job as a nurse. D. Other strange things. 6. What do you think the word unwind means? A. Go to sleep. B. Sit down. C. Relax. D. Make money. 7. Nada finds her work as a nurse. A. Boring. B. Rewarding. C. Worthless. D. Awarding. 8. The synonym of the underlined word in charge of is A. Charged with. B. Achievable to C. Guilty of. D. Responsible for.